Hi, Martin and I are here with Module 6 review questions on page 198.
Yes.
Yay, starting with number 6.
Continuing.
With number 6. Well, we didn't begin number 6.
Indeed.
We're continuing the problems, the review questions with number 6. How's that?
If a stoichiometry problem gives you the quantity of a substance in grams, what is the first thing you must do to solve the problem? Well, it depends what the problem is.
So, as I drew earlier, how does grams relate to the substance? Let's take, for example, CO2. Okay? How does grams relate to this substance? What can you tell me about this substance?
The atomic mass unit.
Yes, whatever the AMU.
Yes.
Will be 1 mole. Will be in grams, right?
Right.
So what is C? Let's take C for example. Look at C, please. Carbon over here is
6.
Is atomic mass is 12.0. And how about oxygen is 16.0. So we've got 12.0 plus 32.0 gives us
it's 44.
Okay, so 1 gram is of this substance is 1 mole of it.
Okay.
Right? Okay, so what's the question again? It's how does the quantity relate to if a stoichiometry problem gives you the quantity of a substance in grams, what is the first thing you must do to solve the problem?
Find out what its atomic mass unit is.
Right. You want to find out what is that substance's atomic weight. Once you figure out that substance's atomic weight, you'll know how much in grams 1 mole of that substance is. And then using whatever your formula is, you can figure out how many moles of other substances you have, how many grams of other substances you need, how many grams of this substance you need, if you have grams of that substance. You can figure everything out once you begin with the atomic mass. Okay. So you must figure the atomic mass. Okay, number 7, please.
What is the difference between molecular formulas and empirical formulas? Well, you can't walk into a courtroom and say, I have molecular evidence that the defendant is not guilty.
This is not a court of law, and we are not talking about legal terminology, so please don't waste our time with such silliness. We will actually find the answer, as you have noted, because you found it yourself on page
186.
Okay, so what is a molecular formula?
A molecular formula is a chemical formula that provides the number of each type of atom in a molecule. An empirical formula is a chemical formula that tells you a simple whole number ratio for the atoms in a molecule.
Okay, so what's the difference? Which one provides an exact number of the type of atom?
It's the empirical one.
Are you sure? What does it say? Molecular formula provides the number
of atoms.
Right. So the molecular formula.
How many in each molecule?
Tells the exact number. I'll be writing this down. Of atoms in a molecule. empirical formula was the ratio of elements I should add the whole number. Whole number ratio of elements. Okay, you ready for number 8?
Mm-hmm.
Number 8, which of the following are empirical formulas? Okay, so, why don't you read them to me?
I already figured out.
I bet you did. That's okay. I'm recording. I'll go back.
Okay.
8A.
A. C12H24O10.
Okay, B.
B. K2S2O3.
And C.
CaN2O6.
All right.
So it's A and B.
So think about it this way. If I could write all these as fractions, look at them all, at these ratios. Can I reduce, if these were fractions in your math class, Saxon Math, you would have to reduce all of these, right?
Uh-huh.
How about this?
So it's
Let's write
just
these
B
ratios.
then? Just B?
Can you reduce these?
No.
Yeah, I mean, you could reduce two twos to 1, but you can't do it with 2/3 or 3/2. So these two are empirical formulae. This one is not, because it's not written in the simplest whole number ratio it can be. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the molecular formula, I'm sure, right? But it's not. So not you. Okay, number 9.
A compound has a molecular formula of C14H21O7. What is its empirical formula?
H21O7.
007.
All right, what is its
empirical formula?
Okay. That's fairly easy because these are all multiples of 7, right? This is going to be the multiple of 7. That's 2, this is 3, and this is 1.
H3O1. No, just O.
Yeah. Okay, and how about number 10?
A compound is a molecular formula of H3PO4. What is its empirical formula? Is it possible that that's it?
Yes, that is it. Correct. Tricky, but not tricky enough for you, buddy.
Oh no, you gotta get up pretty early in the morning to get past me, like 4 o'clock,
true.
like Mom does.
That's
weird.
true.
She's a freak.
Thank you.